So you can promote your business on using Instagram. Instagram, so many people are using for mobile. You can use it desktop or not. You can use it for desktop also to promote your website content. First of all, you can create your account for Instagram. After creating account, you can add your website name or website address. So everything will be based on your posting option. So any posting for Instagram to promote your business, you can promote by images. Link will be not understand by your Instagram option. Instagram three disadvantages. One is called without photo we can't content post anyone in Instagram. Without photo and without video. And link will be not appeared by the organic post. Link will appear by only for paid. Third one, you can generating for traffic by using by mobile and your numbers, not for the links. These are three option for Instagram. So if Instagram any posting for desktop, video will be not suitable. Only image will be suitable. Three will be drawback by the particular Instagram for link fetching for options. And if you promote anything on desktop, you can install for desktop for Instagram toolbar. Just open this toolbar. The show option is called install your toolbar. It will show for remove. Why? Because I'm adding for Instagram toolbar. Without this option, we can't post your content on your desktop. So what you can do for option? Select your Instagram option. Without login, the toolbar is not working. After login Instagram, you can use it for Instagram for desktop by using. So after this, our option will be here. Select the plus symbol. It will be promoted by only for images, not for the videos. So in this uploading content, after this one, you can go for zoom in, zoom out. Select it. Without image, without video, we can't post content by Instagram. Add your mobile apps development, mobile apps, mobile application. Add your domain name. Domain name mandatory. When your post will be trending based on using hashtag. So I'm using for web. Automatically the post will be showing. Mobile. How many people using for mobile? 62 lakhs 84,989 people are posting about the hash mobile. So this one you can use. Option is called your link will be not working for your post. Click for share. Share will be done. Click for refresh. Automatically your Instagram will be taken by the image. So what are the likes? Everything will be showing by in this option. Each day you can posting for n number of images. Automatically increase your page awareness. You will be, don't forget zoom in, zoom out. Always you can go for zoom out. That your next option. You can using always prepare by your hashtags. Copy and paste it. Click for share. Why? Because in any Instagram, the link will be not working here. See, this link is working, only working for hashtags, and mobile number is working. You can see this one. Refresh. Any people are watching for your photograph or anything, select it. Link is not. Only hashtag will working and mobile number is working. when link is working, when you're promoting any ads by mobile, link is working. You can promote by app installs, website traffic, and video views. Everything will be supported by only for Instagram paid ads. A drawback of Instagram only for link will be not fetched, link will be not enabled, and without photo, without video, we can't upload any content on Instagram. If you promote any links only for here, where about option you can mention by your link, automatically they go into your website. That is the advantage for the generating for traffic. When profile views will be increased, automatically your website traffic will be increased here. You can add your website traffic and YouTube channel links, anything will be suitable by Instagram account. This is a very important option by your Instagram option. If you post any content by using desktop, install for desktop for Instagram to promote your business. So this is called you can promote your business using for Instagram. Videos only suitable by mobile app. It is called mobile version only. That we will discuss by the tomorrow class.